It started with a cake and ended up testing the limits of the Constitution. In 2012, a couple walked into a small bakery in Colorado, excited for a milestone. They were planning their wedding. They wanted a custom cake to celebrate their love. The shop owner, Jack Phillips, was known for his artistry. But that day, he refused. Not because of the design, but because of who the cake was for. Phillips believed that creating a wedding cake for a same-sex marriage violated his religious beliefs. The couple, stunned and humiliated, left without a cake, but not without a fight. They filed a complaint under Colorado's anti-discrimination law, arguing they were denied service because of their identity. The state agreed with them. The Colorado Civil Rights Commission ruled that Phillips had discriminated. He was ordered to either make cakes for same-sex weddings or stop making wedding cakes entirely. For Phillips, it felt like the government was forcing him to choose between his faith and his livelihood. The case began to grow. What looked like a simple dispute over a bakery became something much bigger. It turned into a national battle over two powerful ideas: religious freedom and equal rights. As the case climbed toward the Supreme Court, the stakes sharpened. On one side was the argument that businesses open to the public must serve everyone equally. On the other was the claim that artists should not be compelled to create messages that conflict with their beliefs. By the time it reached the highest court in 2018, the country was watching closely. Then came the turning point. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Phillips, but not in the way many expected. The justices did not settle the broader conflict between religious freedom and anti-discrimination laws. Instead, they focused on something more subtle and more unsettling. They found that the Colorado Civil Rights Commission had shown hostility toward Phillips's religious beliefs during the process. That bias, the court said, violated the Constitution. In a narrow decision, Phillips won, but the victory was incomplete. The deeper question, can a business refuse service based on religious beliefs, remained unresolved. The couple never got their cake. Phillips never got full clarity, and the nation was left in a gray area, where rights collided and no clean answer emerged. What began as a simple request for a wedding cake became a reminder of how fragile balance can be, when freedom for one person feels like exclusion to another.